Hi, I'm Barbecue Bob with the Barbecue Guru. I really enjoy teaching my kids to cook. I think it makes some unforgettable memories. So check out what we're cooking. I'm really excited about this.
So we have a brisket flatbread. We're gonna be cooking it with some goat cheese, some mozzarella, and some baby spinach. And for some people, if you like caramelized shallots, you can put them on too.
That's why I made them, because I love them.
Yeah, the horseradish adds a good spicy flavor.
Awesome. You got this, girl.
Oh, they look amazing.
Right?
This is your caramelized onion one.
Yeah.
I think they look good.
Yeah?
The brisket adds good color to it.
Wow. So these are some great, fun, easy recipes that dads and kids can do on the grill. If you have a dad in your life that loves barbecue, go to bbqguru.com for some great gift ideas.